What's going on, everybody? It's Jackson here. I'm back again, and it's been a long time since my last post. And also, I know that we're all in very bad situation up to this time. So let us pray to God so as He may save us from this kind of situation that you are in up to this time. We know that we are still so sad. We are still going on some difficult times because of this year 2020. What has brought to us, it's very strange. So anyways, guys, today I have this very special topic for you, which says, join me on Cash App today for beginners. And guys, this topic which I have for you today, it's not very difficult. It's very easy and doesn't need that much experience or very big knowledge. It's just so easy and not complicated. So guys, just check it out on what I'm doing here, and I just want to show you how this is done. Okay, so here right now it's my Cash app, and I just screenshot it on my smartphone. I don't perform it on my PC, but I just shot it out via my smartphone. And guys, as you see here is offers, checking in task, fantastic offer wall, wow offer wall, awesome offer wall, super surveys wall, watch videos, and spreading task. The most thing which can help you earn money in Cash App is the checking in task, the also spreading task, and inviting people. But something that you should not really believe in, it's watching videos, super surveys wall, and fantastic offer walls like downloading video games, downloading popular offer. That, guys, doesn't really going to help you anything, because guys, this ain't gonna make you no money, but this does make you no money. Like as I said, spreading task, checking task, and inviting people to join you on Cash App. That's the thing which is going to pay you commissions. Because don't really put that big trust in them, because as you know, there's no easy money like that. So if you want to know how you're going to get your invitation link, you need to press here, invite. You press invite and you'll be given the referral link so as to make others join you and be pleased with you with what offers you're providing to them. So you're going to get your invitation link here, and you start inviting people out of there. And also payouts right here. You're going to get paid by this following thing here. When you reach 500 credits, you're going to get paid $5. When you reach 10,000 credits, you're going to get $10. When you reach 20,000 credits, you're going to get $20. When you reach 50,000 credits, you're going to get $50. So guys, what I'm advising you is that you need to keep inviting people over and over and over. And also, the other thing which is going to help you is checking in and spreading tasks in Facebook per month. And also, the moment you do the task once, that doesn't mean you need to do it twice again and again and again and again, just at the same day. That's very impossible. You just earn money after every 24 hours. For example, like checking in task. When you check in task, you're going to get 20 credits per day just for checking in. When you press this, you're going to get your $20, and you're going to get it again after 24 hours. And it depends on the time you like to join there. For example, you joined at 4 a.m. and you successfully get your 20 credits, right? Then you don't need to do it twice again. You need to wait the day of tomorrow. You are going to get your $20 again. Depends on the time you joined. For example, you joined at 4 a.m. then tomorrow you will join at 4 a.m. again. And you don't need to do it twice again because it's no longer going to accept. So it's 24 hours daily for checking in. Even if it's the evening, it's just okay. And also spreading task. Spreading task is spread once per month only in Facebook, and there's no way other out of spreading task. It's done once only. When you spread task, you get paid as $100, only $100 for spreading task on Facebook. And this rest here, you don't really need to trust them because they don't really give you money. They don't really give you money no matter how you download it, no matter how you conduct surveys, then it won't pay you no commissions. But the only thing which can pay you commissions is checking in tasks, spreading tasks, and inviting people over and get your payouts depending on the number of credits you have. For example, this is just a long time thing a bit. I got my 562 credits and still I have not yet successfully reached the 50,000 credits to get my payouts on PayPal. So the moment you keep working hard and hard and hard, the more you still earn your credits. But don't trust these processes here, from here to here, as the way I showed you just right away. And also the last thing that I have to say to you is that this thing doesn't need any investment. It's just for free, doesn't need no investment, doesn't need no capital. It's for free, and doesn't matter your age, doesn't matter your career or anything you have. It's just about earning an extra income with Cash App only. So guys, this is what I have for you today, and thanks for watching. And also don't forget to like and subscribe on my YouTube channel for more notifications. Thanks for watching.